Alright guys, today we are attempting to climb the rock wall in airplane 4. Wish us luck. Because we're already off to a not a great start. No! Alright, I think I figured this out, but it's gonna be a bit difficult to do it. Dang it. Oof, I just fell all the way to the ground. I'm on yellow, then red, then yellow, then blue, then green. Oof! No, I made it and then I fell off because I'm such an idiot. Bro, honestly, this video could be an hour long and all we're doing is trying to climb a wall, rock wall. Yes, I made it! Oh my god. Oh my. Oh no! Whoa, 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 whoa. And then jump down and then whoa, whoa. I keep falling! I keep getting like the same part and then falling. Like the first few parts are a bit easy and then I fell off as I was saying that. Okay. Yeah, if there weren't as many people trying to attempt this, then... Nah, not really. Although once you get up a bit higher, there's not as many people around and it's a bit easier to do it. But then the jumps also get a lot harder. Elena, I met the evil president thingy.
Dang it. The one that has red makeup on?
Red makeup. Yes, red makeup. No! No! I fell. Not all the way, but I fell. No! I met Poncho. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, there's no way to get there anywhere from here. Alright. Nah! Hi, Elena. And I fell even lower than you.
No! Oh my God.
I keep getting so high and then failing. This video is gonna be like an hour long. This video is gonna be like an hour long. Yeah, you'll be like, hey, you guys want to see it? And they're like, no. And then like back a year later, me repost this video. Hey, you guys want to? In the description. Hey, you guys want to see how badly I used to do parkour? And then I make another video of me doing it in like 3 seconds. I can do rock walls in real life, but once you give me the chance to do it in Roblox, I'm just like, yeah, screw you, I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm getting super high right now. So, like, right now I'm
Hello, Mr. Makeup Man.
Well, I need help right now.
I don't know how well I can help. Whoa! I made it to the top.
Good. No, I need help.
Right where? Hold on. I'm taking a screenshot of this. Hold on. Emotes. There you go, guys. And that's how you make it. And that's how you guys make it to the top of the rock wall. The end.